Alright, so yeah, we're just gonna do some more polishing today. Let's see. I was messing around with the game yesterday, and I tried adding colors, and I kind of liked the way it looked. I don't know if we should keep the game in like grayscale. I think it might look good if I like made like dull colors for like background objects, or like for these boxes here. Maybe it could be like a like a dull version of brown, or a dull brown here. I'll try. I tried doing it yesterday. It didn't look that nice, but I thought maybe I just needed to make it more dull, just like a faint brown color. That way, it's like slightly noticeable. Tomorrow, yeah, I'm trying to get a demo out tomorrow. That way, like, I mean, if people are in, like, I'd rather release a demo tomorrow, see if there's any like issues with the game, and then update it for the Kickstarter. But yeah, I'm trying to polish everything today so that I don't, get any complaints or anything like that. So yeah, we're gonna try our best to finish everything today and then tomorrow. So yeah, let's see how long I could stream for. Hopefully we could do like maybe a 2 or 3 hour stream right now. Then I'll take a break. Then I'll do another 2 to 3 hour stream in the afternoon. Yeah, but when tomorrow, I don't know yet, because it really depends on how much work we get done today. But yeah, today is mostly just going to be polishing some stuff up, like let's see, maybe these. Yeah, we have to update our springs. I'm gonna mess with the colors just a bit, and then like backgrounds and stuff like that. Hey, welcome, Dev Waffle. Walking back from school and you might trip. Oh, careful, don't trip. Oh, and we have these one-way platforms that maybe I should update the texture for. I don't know how we're going to make it look like there's a one-way platform, like over. I mean, yeah, a one-way like wall here, but we'll figure that out. And maybe what we could do is put a teleporter. I would have to figure it out. I don't know, I don't know exactly what we could do here. But yeah, let's actually, before I do anything, before I do any like level design, I do want to mess with the colors. I want to see if we can get something nice here, because if we, oh dude, it would look so cool. I think I tried messing with it yesterday and it did look nice. So let me open up GIMP, and then we're gonna also open up our furniture. I think it's called New Furniture Sprite Sheet. I believe that's what it's called. And let me share my screen today, my display. All right, and you can see I started adding more colors, like I was just messing with them. But for some reason, I don't know why. Maybe it's because I have like a canvas module on our screen. It never seemed to work out nicely. I don't know why. What was it called? New Furniture Sprite Sheet. Oh, my release date is your birthday. That's crazy. I'll be sure to say happy birthday if you're on stream tomorrow. Just remind me in case I forget. You know what's weird? I have these boxes here, but then I also have these right here. I wonder why I have duplicates. These are a little oh, I know what this is. This is like foreground stuff, and then this is background stuff. We don't really use foreground textures, but maybe one day we will. So let's do this. We're gonna try grabbing one of these colors. This like dark gray or medium gray, and I'm just gonna try making it closer to red. So yeah, this is like the color I tried yesterday, but I think that was too much. So I want to try something like this, where it's so barely noticeable, but maybe that's all we need. It's like barely brown. You're not late, A98. We literally just started. So yeah, we're gonna try using this brown color. Only issue is, all right. We only want to put it for like the wood texture. So like this is a wood texture, maybe this is a wood texture, but then we have stuff like lamps here. I want to make sure that stays as that gray color. So let's see. I think we can select all of these colors, and what I'll do is I'll make like a really big brush. I think we can make like a square brush. You know, I wonder why there's no square on GIMP. I guess by default, it's always like this huge rectangle. There's no square, unless I'm just missing something. But yeah, we'll just try it out like that. All right, so that's our brown, and then we could do a lighter brown, or honestly, we could leave it like this. It might look a little weird. Let's actually try first to see if there's like a brown version of this that look good. Gonna hang around for a butt today. I hope you find what you're looking for. Select the pixel and change the dimensions from the left panel. So, is this the aspect ratio? Let me see, 1. So I changed the aspect ratio, but it's still like this huge rectangle. I mean, it's not a big deal. There's a little plus sign here. Oh, never mind. So here, if I make... Okay, so, wait. What did we put? Aspect ratio 1. Okay, so the aspect... Oh, oops. Aspect ratio is 1, and then we... So, what is it, like... Is the aspect ratio 0.5 or 0? Oh, it's 0. I'm just dumb. Hey, how's it going, Zombie? Alright, so yeah, I mean, we'll test out these colors. If it works out, oh dude, if this works out, I'd be excited to like change all the colors. And I think eventually we would change it to more, like, maybe I'll ask Sparky to like fix up these textures, because right now, you know, I'm not one for picking a color palette. This is just like me messing around with it, but who knows? Maybe I have the right idea, because it is like, it's just me changing the color, but it's still like the same darkness and everything. So it does look kind of weird. Maybe I remember thinking it looked weird, but it's because it's just so different. Like, what do you guys think? Does it look weird to you? Also, keep in mind having what your screen darkness or what your screen brightness looks like. Could like we could update these. Like, you know, the chairs will also be brown. Maybe we'll have the vases stay gray, and then maybe, like, you know, there's this plant here, maybe, I don't know, maybe this is a bonsai, or, yeah, we can make this green or something. I don't want to have too many colors. I'm thinking, like, you know, we'll have, you know, our typical grayscale, black, gray, dark gray, and white. And then we'll use like variants of those colors in like the furniture. But I don't want it to be too overwhelming. I still want the game to be like, you know, a little Like, you know, you're in the afterworld, so it should feel kind of dull. Maybe it's the screen compression. The color of the boxes seem darker than the foreground. Well, they are supposed to be darker than the foreground. That's one thing, though. Like, they are supposed to be darker. The reason is because I don't want, like, even though there is a lot of detail that can go into the background, I don't want it to be the focus. You might notice that, like, you know, the spikes are very bright. And like let's say like this chain is very dark, but then the object that you collide with is very bright, and it's so that the player knows that these are like collidable objects. There's nothing here that the player can collide with. Same with, you know, like the scaffolding in the background here, or yeah, everything. And I think I would have to work on some more of the background objects. The reason why I thought about adding color is because it's really hard to like use only 4 colors and then also like make them like contrast. Like, I want to add a parallax background, but it's so hard to add a parallax background when the colors that you're already using are in the foreground. Or they're in like the, I don't know, the medium ground. Also, I'm like, I don't know why I'm not getting across here. But yeah, so we could try. Let me see. I'd also like to update maybe the spring. Like, we could make the spring have a certain color to it too. I think orange would look good, but I don't know if I want to use too many colors. So right now, I'm fairly confident we want to use brown because there's a lot of wood in our game. And in Celeste, the springs are like this orange color. So, you know, my instinct is telling me, hey, let's use orange. But it might look weird. You could also try using wood. Like the brown color. Let's try it. And then, oh man, yeah. I guess we'll just test out adding colors. If it looks good, like after manipulating a few of these textures, then we'll do it double time. Oh, thanks. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Is it Elenas? Elenas? Thank you, Elenos. So yeah, let's do the spring. I think Sparky actually sent us a new texture, so maybe we should just add that new texture first. Yeah, this is the new texture right here. Yeah, I know it's Pep. Elenos. Okay. Yeah. So I think I asked him to make it 12. This should be 12 pixels high. Let's make sure. Also, let's remove the background here. Okay. Yeah, he made it 12. Okay. So it goes from 12. It's 12 by 14, I believe. Yeah, 12 by 14, and then it returns to the final animation. So let's export this to. We could call this Spring 1. Oh, apparently I already saved it. All right, let's do it again. And let's try adding this brown that we added earlier. We'll use this lighter version. Yeah, we should use a lighter version for like this middle part. Actually. And these are going to be a little brighter than the background furniture because we basically make it so that like main objects in our game ignore the canvas modulate, which is the thing that makes the background objects in our game darker or like react to the light. So this won't have like any shadows on it or anything like that. It'll always be bright so the player could see it. But honestly, I think this is way too dark. Well, actually, what we should have done... Here, I have a better idea. We should make it consistent with, so if this is white, then we should make it as close to brown. Oh, but we can only do red. I don't think it's possible to do brown. Let's see. I mean, we could do something like that, maybe. Let's try pink. Hey, how's it going, Reaper? Welcome. Alright, let's test this out. I don't think we're using the same texture right now. Can I make the stream on YouTube? Sinister S. Yeah, let's look at our springs here. So yeah, currently we're using an animated spring. Let's just, I guess, delete all these frames and we'll restart. Sprites, Sparky. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try it out. Right now we're playing it at 25 frames. I mean 28 frames. That seems like a bit. That seems like a lot. Let's keep it at 24. You're my 34th subscriber? Are you really? So that's what it looks like if it's pink. I don't know if I like it. I mean, what do you guys think? Maybe I would have to like add. I feel like maybe I would have to add more color to all of them. You know, I'm really not an artist, so I don't know what the correct color would be. Or like, oh, wait a second. Wait, let's do this instead. Wait. Yeah, pink was weird. I did want an orange color instead. Let's leave it. Let's do. Oh wait, whoops. Yeah, let's grab this color again and bring this closer to orange. Still looks kind of weird though. I feel like maybe we would have to grab these colors as well. I don't know. Let's try it out. Bring it here. It's on orange. Damn, that looks ugly, actually. I mean, it's all subjective. Maybe it won't look ugly to most people, but it's also just so new to me. You know, I've never used anything except like a grayscale in our game. Who knows? My demo is on your birthday, yeah. I thought so. I mean, the dev waffle, what, if you don't mind, actually, it actually doesn't look too bad. Obviously, it looks weird because, I mean, this is the only color that we see in our game right now, but like if everything had color in it, maybe it wouldn't be too bad. So yeah, we could try. We could definitely try. So why does it? It still looks so big to me. Like the springs, I think they're too big. But it also makes them obvious, and the hitbox, it's not like the hitbox changed, so it's not the worst thing in the world. Alright, you know what I really want to do though? I want to see what it would look like if we add blue to the teleporters. Because it's supposed to be like a pond, you know? Oh. Let me see something. Alright, I think this would be the determining factor. If this looks good as blue, then we could start adding more colors to everything. I don't know if I'm getting way too ahead of myself. Please, if someone thinks this is a bad idea, please let me know. Alright, what is it? It's called Portal. What did we call it? Teleport Pond Sprite Sheet. Also, I think it's going to be kind of hard for me to pick the right color, but we'll try our best. So we'll want to do like Maybe something closer to purple. I don't know how I feel about that. Alright, let's just try it out. Oh, whoops. Let's get rid of this. And in our world demo, I think we're gonna bring our player closer to that room. See what it looks like. Where is it? Right here. Oh, we do need to fix. Oh, that's another thing that we need to fix with our game. All right, so yeah, I don't know if these colors are right. Yeah, it's definitely not right. But the thing is, if we use anything darker, it wouldn't be as obvious. Or maybe it would be because it's colored, you know? Usually we have like white, like things that are brighter are objects that are they're usually things that we can interact with. So it wouldn't be too bad, I would hope. We could also try finding some more colors on low spec. That's what I used earlier. I think I tried 16. Let's look. I want to see 24 again. Maybe they have some nice colors there that we can try to grab here. So this looks pretty good, actually. We would have a brown, we would have like a purple, green, I guess, for plants. This is like for, like I said, I don't really know much about colors. Yeah, these colors actually might be too strong. Unless we had like a... a color palette specifically like for foreground objects, and then another color palette specifically for background objects. Dementia Girl. Dark fantasy. This is exactly kind of what we want. Dark fantasy, medieval, depressing. That's our game. That's our game right there. Alright, we'll try this. I think we'll try one color. And if it doesn't work, we'll try this. If this doesn't work out, then we're not gonna do it. We're not gonna change the colors of our game. Alright, so this is blue, so blue would be, we would use this this lightest color as our water. Then this other color. We can also use this purple maybe. Let's grab that and put it here. Oh, actually, we only want to use it for the splashes, not just the grays. So like something like that. It's hard to see. But we also have like a super light gray. I wonder what that's for. We could try maybe this one. I think this might be too overwhelming if we're using like both of these blues here. But I might just try it. No. We might just leave it as this teal color. Just so everything is consistent. I was also thinking of adding a shader to this portal. Maybe we could make it look like, actually it's kind of hard to do it with pixel art, unless we, you know what I'm gonna do? I think we're gonna try, after our demo's over, I'm gonna try messing around with shaders and with, what's it? Let's just try this. Shaders and viewports. And then we also have this dark blue here. Alright, let's try it. And then for our trampolines, let's try this. What am I working on at the moment? Right now, I'm just messing around with colors. I want to see if we could, like, usually our game is grayscaled, or yeah, our game is like, you know, black and white for the most part. But I was thinking about adding colors to the game and seeing, like, oh wait, what the hell? We forgot to add brown to this section right here. Okay. And yeah, here we want to add this dark, super dark brown. All right, yeah. So if this looks nice, we might do it to our entire game. It would still be like, you know, like a dark game, like, I mean, relatively dark. But there would just be colors for like the important aspects of our game. So like the portals, the trampolines. Maybe we've changed the color of our spikes and all of that. Oh, and I think we're gonna want to change the animation of I don't know, what do you guys think? It's kind of hard to tell because there are not everything has color in it, so it's like, you know, I think it does look slightly weird. I don't know. Let me run this from the beginning and see how different our game looks. Is there anything else that we would want to add color to? So we have our lamps. I mean, we could add more color to the furniture. Stuff like this we might want to change a bit. Oh, no worries, Chev. You're always appreciated, but you're not expected to watch my streams, man. But yeah, it's going well. I'm trying to tell me what you think, Chev. I'm trying to add colors to the game, and I do kind of like the way it looks here. Like, I haven't added colors to everything, but you know, there's I made the boxes in the background slightly brown, and I could add more color to, like, you know, these objects right here. And then I added a color to, like, these springs here, and I don't really know if I like it. Also, wait, what? We didn't die when we jumped up here. What's going on? Yeah, I was keeping him. You know, that's why I'm like trying to figure out if I should keep it black and white. Hey, how's it going, Adam? So, right now, the colors that I added to the game, this is something that I'm testing out. Like, I did this during this stream. So I don't know if we're gonna keep it this way. And I also don't know why we're not dying right here. I'll have to look into that. But the main reason why I wanted to add more colors to the game, or like maybe just a few colors, was because it's hard to differentiate the background from, like, let's say if we add a parallax, and I already have a parallax in our game, is that it's like, yeah, it's hard to tell the difference between the background and the foreground. They're too bright compared to the other objects in our game, I see. So maybe, let's try this. That's just like your opinion. Yeah, you might be right. Oh wait, we're too far. I should bring my player closer to the rooms that we're testing out in. Another thing I could do is maybe make it so that our background objects are colored. But that kind of doesn't make any sense. For background objects to be colored and then foreground colors to not be colored. I don't know. So how about like that? Is that still too bright? We could make it just brown. I think we would want to make the springs a little darker too. Wait, let me see. Let's try this. What is that ad? If you guys didn't see that. Yeah, keep the colors. So what is saturation? Is like this, right? How far away from the... That's what I tried doing yesterday. Here, so I'll grab this color again. We'll bring it closer to the... But when I did that, it makes it look more like it's pink. I don't know if that's right. So yeah, that's what I did with our background objects. I made the saturation really low. The thing is, foregrading. I don't know what foregrading is. Also, if it so here's the saturation of the brown objects. Like I like the way this looks. But then when it comes to doing this same exact thing with foreground objects, it doesn't look as good. Let's see. It should move towards black. Oh, I see. The issue with making it closer to black is that I wanted our foreground objects to be brighter. Like objects that you interact with should be brighter, you know. You should notice them more than you should notice the background objects, you know? But maybe, here, let's try this. Let's try copying over the same color from this. So I'll put this as the main color of our platform. But the thing is that we have the canvas modulate making background. We already have a canvas, like we have some code, not code, just a canvas modulate making background objects darker. So you can see, I mean, there's light nodes on here, so it does appear a little brighter. But these foreground objects are always going to be the same color. And yeah, I'm just worried if I add a background, like let's say we add bricks in the background, how hard would it be to like differentiate like this is supposed to be scaffolding in the background, so if I made this scaffolding brown, it might mix in with this color too much. That's what I'm most worried about. If I don't make it bright, you know? So if it's perfect when it's white, but any other color that would mix with the background would screw it up a bit. Because I don't use white in background objects at all. Trying to think. Maybe we could just leave that as white. I'm gonna try one more thing. I'm gonna try. I don't know if this is gonna make a difference. Yeah, most of the interactable objects in the game are white. So I'm trying to possibly change that so that they're not only are they white, but they're just bright, you know? But maybe also it might just look weird right now because the entire game is black and white right now, and then there's only a select few objects that are. See, actually, this doesn't look too bad. Making a Celeste clone. So I want to say the mechanics that I have in this game are somewhat unique, but yeah, a lot of the game is copied over, or a lot of the mechanics are inspired. That's the word that you should use. Are inspired by Celeste. So yeah, maybe green might be better because then we can reserve brown for we can have the fun colors be for the mechanics, and then the dull colors might be for the background. So like brown would be the wood platform. Let's try doing that. We're gonna try updating everything right now. So what's next? We have the spikes. I think we'll keep white, or we could also do maybe red, but then I think that would make our game too red. Like everything would just be kind of scary looking. All right, and then we could maybe make this like a blue color. Maybe everything that's like supernatural looking. Teleport. What do we call it? Dash orb. Dash diamond. Where's dash diamond? Dash particle, dash orb. We have dash diamond right here. And then we also have, let's see what else we can update really quick. We're not gonna mess with our. Ooh, this might look cool. What was I saying? We're not gonna mess with what? Oh, particles. I'm not gonna mess with particles just yet. That's like a whole different game. Actually, it wouldn't be too hard, but for certain objects, like if you're sliding down this, maybe you'd want to have brown particles. So wait, let's put ourselves in a room with our dash orbs here. And another thing we want to do for our teleport portals in the idle animation is I think we want to get rid of. Whoops. Damn, is there a Control Z? Yes. We want to grab this first, but I guess it's grabbing the second one, so let's just fix the second one to look more like the first. Hey, how's it going, Dragon Skull? So, what do you guys think about this pink dash orb? And you know what? I think it's hard to compare it when everything else is black and white. So let's maybe I'll change the color of these bricks. I'm going to change the color of these platforms right here. I want to see what an entire room full of color would look like. We have a wood platform sprite sheet. I wonder what I called it. Is it this? Scaffolding and platform. Oh, it's this one right here. Platform spreadsheet. So that, yeah, this is going to have the brown color. And what do we use? We use this. Let's try this. And we'll grab this. Oh wait, crap. This should have been. You know what? Maybe we could leave it like that. Wait, no. All right, let's see how that looks. So the only thing left to do is maybe change the color of the bricks, since we have the wood color and yeah, the bricks and the background, I think, are the final two. Oh damn, this is like, yeah, this is kind of crazy. Maybe having colors is maybe it's not a good idea. Wait, let me. I think this color is just way too much. Let's try copying over this color instead. Made the scaffold look better. So yeah, the scaffold does look better. My only concern is that it might be hard to differentiate the two. Like, how hard is it to tell that this is a platform that you can stand on, you know? Oh, hell yeah, 898. Congrats, man. Oh, also we need to fix this scaffolding right here. And we'd probably want to change the color of our lighting. So like if we're using this orb here, let me try making that purple. We're gonna go. I think this would be a perfect like representation of what a room could potentially look like if it was full color. or like full, like a combination of dull colors and interactable object colors. If it looks good, we'll continue on. We'll press on. First, let's grab the auto tile for this background here. For the background and the bricks. So let me just go into one of these rooms. Forgot the title. Auto tile 3. Tile 3. Let's open that up. And what is our background called? Actually, I'm not gonna mess with the background just yet. Let's just do this. So what colors do we have? We could use maybe this purple here. This might be too dark though. Let's try making our own color. So yeah, it would be close to purple. Do something like that. Purple might be a little wacky. But we're fully committing right now. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. You made an example for the jump pads. Where did you send the jump pad? Oh my goodness. This, let's see how this looks. Whoa, no. I don't know about this one, guys. We might just stick to, maybe if we could find like the perfect color palette for this, maybe it would work out. But I think because I don't really know how to make color palettes work together, it just looks super strange. Also, we have to fix those animations. Yeah, it seems like I didn't get anything. Maybe it's on YouTube. Let me see. Yeah, I didn't get any link. Alright, sounds good. Yeah, let's look at this. Maybe I don't know. Maybe we should make this darker because it's not really an interactable object. Maybe that's the problem. It's too bright. Let's try that. You want me to try out that color palette? Skull? So it seems like we don't die in the dash state. Wait, let me see. It's hard to tell. We'll fix that. I need to make sure I look back at that. Yeah, these colors are too bright. I think we're just gonna go back. What was I thinking, you know? I will try the spring colors you sent. We'll see if that maybe makes a difference. But yeah, I feel like it's not even the springs. It's just everything doesn't look. Like I said, I don't really know much about color palettes. Let me see what sent here. Where was it? It wasn't this room. It does look. I do like the way it looks. Yeah, it does look pretty good. Damn, now it makes me want to add colors to everything. Damn, I'm so stuck. Like, you know what? Crap. No, I don't know. It's hard. Decisions. I don't know why. Like, this always happens whenever I want to release a demo tomorrow, and then all of a sudden, like, I want to make major changes to the game. But maybe I should, remember that, like, what the scope of this game was. And it's like, if you add color to the game, you would have to increase the scope of everything. And I mean, that was the plan. So you know what? Let's do this. Let's go back. We're not going to add any colors today. But after our Kickstarter, if like it goes well, maybe we'll consider it. The game will still look good, in my opinion. Oops. Alright, so... Oh, what? Did we not change? Did we not upload this? Last song reminded you of Miles Davis's The Silent Way. I don't think I've heard that one. Oh, I think I know what song you're talking about. I'm afraid to play songs on YouTube just because of like the copyright stuff, but I think I know what you're talking about. Yeah, I definitely could add more in the like follow-up. I was actually thinking about this the other day. Like, this whole game has potential for like, sequels and prequels and stuff like that. Like right now, I feel like it would be cool if there was like, there was some world building elements around this whole thing. Because right now there isn't much. They're like, I do have a story in mind, but I haven't worked on it at all. And what we could do is in the following chapters, the game just adds like more and more color gets added to the game as you progress. You could do something like that. Progressively get the player used to new colors. Oh, we didn't change this right here. What's this? Alright. So, since we're not gonna be adding colors today, how much time did I spend just doing that? Because that was basically, there was a lesson learned here, but I could have used this time for level design. So I started doing this so it's been like an hour and 15 minutes. That's okay. We still have like 12 more hours in our day. So I guess I'm just gonna do some more level design. I think I started out, or I got up to this room right here last night. And I think we want to add lighting to like objects in our game, so like these candles should light up. Right now we only have like important objects in our game that light up. But I might do that tomorrow. I really want to finish designing these rooms first. Or just polishing these rooms. I think this looks fine the way it is. So let's go to the next one. I think this one also looks fine. Let's give it a run. Alright, so yeah, this part is a little messed up. We don't have any bricks in the background just yet, but we're going to automate the placement of bricks. And I'll save that for last. Oh, and one other thing that I think we should do for these scaffolding objects is, I don't know, we'll want to like add a border of some kind. I don't know if we're going to use the darkest color here or the lightest color. Let me see. Yeah, we might use this. That way when we add bricks, you'll be able to differentiate the two. Sometimes these colors blend. You know, there is an easier way to do this. I'll do this for the next. I'll do it for the next scaffolding. Is that it? I believe so. Okay. Oh, right here. Okay. Yeah, so there's a better way to do this, and I think is if we select everything here, and then we go into, I think we right click it, go to select, and then we go into grow, and grow it by grow it by 1 pixel. I don't know where I was going with this. Oh, then I think we can just do that, maybe? There we go. There we go. Might be hard to see on stream. Now there's a little border on it, and that way when we add bricks to the background, you'll be able to see both the bricks and the scaffolding. And I think we, before I continue, we do want to add some more detail to the background. And how we're going to do that is we're going to randomize it. I already wrote this a while ago. I just didn't have a good brick texture. So let me see if I could find one. We're going to go on Open Game Art. This should be relatively easy to make. It's just going to be maybe a seamless texture or something that we could like, let's see. So we could do something like that, or we could do just a random like blob texture, and I don't know. Here, let's just try making one. And I do think we already have a texture for this. I think it's called bricks. So yeah, I tried creating it in the past. Let's see, broken wall spreadsheet. So yeah, this was my attempt at making some textures here, but let's see, maybe we could do this. And let me add a grid here. Actually, let's make this 8x8. And we could either use this bright one or this dark gray. I think we're gonna use the dark gray. And I don't know how to, let's see, do something like that, then like that. I'm kind of rushing this process. What the hell? There we go. Yeah, I'm the only thing that I'm concerned with is the reason why I added the border was because I didn't want the gray, like this gray, to conflict with this. Like I was hoping that maybe the black would like they would blend together, but only the borders would blend together, not the actual texture itself. I wanted to give it like a defining texture, if that makes sense, a defining layout, or no, defining border. So you would be able to know that this is always a scaffolding. I mean, that's what I was hoping. I'm not much of an artist, so maybe this won't work out as nicely as I was hoping. But also, maybe we could use the two brightest. Like maybe we could use these two instead. So yeah, let's try it. So instead, this will be this gray color, and then the foreground. This will be this lighter brick color. Something like that. Would that be better? Oh wait, but no, we can't do this because we need to make sure. Actually, we'll just make it transparent. Let's do it like that. I'll leave this here for now, but it's usually going to be whatever this color is, whatever this color, that's the color. So it'll look like that, hopefully. Let me see something. This is 2 tiles apart. This is also 16 by 16. So here, let me just try it out first with an 8 by 8. See if we can make. How do we make a seam? Would this be a seamless texture? We should call this stream Programmer Struggles with Art. Yeah, this is, I mean, it is, I guess, technically. No, it's not. We need to make sure what this is. Too big here. I don't know. Honestly, we might not even make it a seamless texture. We might just randomize where we place these bricks, so it might not be a big deal. Like if we just have, here, let's just make a collection of random bricks, and hopefully they're just not next to each other half the time. Like we can have one of them look like this, just like one brick. Another one we could have it look like, I don't know, like this. Another one. Maybe just one in the middle, one like this. We already do this design? No, we didn't. Okay. Right there. I do think we want to make sure it's consistent, so like one should be here instead. Only issue actually is that if we put one right here, like if there's 2 tiles on top of each other, we might get something that looks like that. So maybe, wait, I don't know what to do. Maybe, crap. We should always start like that. There should always be like a pixel in between. Or wait, let me see something. If we make it 3 tiles, like if our bricks are 3 tiles, then it wouldn't matter. Like it could always be, there'll always be 2 in between. So yeah, let's just do that. Maybe 2. Let me. Garlic, waffles, honey, and sauerkraut are the best hot dog toppings. Wow, that's an interesting combination. Something like that. All right, we'll just try it with these 4. If this looks good, we'll expand on it. Get rid of this. All right, so what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in our auto tile background, we already have this texture here. Let me just make sure we update it to a 16 by 16 or 8 by 8. Snap options 8 by 8. Let's delete all of this. Why can't we delete it? Oh, we're in collision. Delete. All right, and then in our auto tile background script, I think we have this replace bricks cell. Let me just make sure that bricks, our size here is 8 by 8. Oops. And where is place bricks? Okay, for a random number in range from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3. Is that what we start with? 0, 1, 2, yeah. And there's a chance for us to flip it. It's never gonna hit 4, so we could just ignore that for now and run it and see what happens. Wow. I was not expecting that. That's pretty ugly. Let's try. I think maybe we have to use this. It didn't change. Can we not update it? Why does it look like that? Also, it seems like the Z index of these objects are like, it looks like it's being placed over our scaffolding. So, I mean, that's an issue, but also maybe we want to try, well, before we do that, we look at scaffolding. Small scaffold, large scaffold. Yeah, let's put our Z index as, let's try 1. 1 might mess this up. And small, yeah, small scaffold and large scaffold, they should be the same. Oh, wait. Downscale a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna reduce the amount of bricks we also see. Like right now, there's too many bricks. We want it. We don't want it to like overwhelm the scene, you know. So yeah, this looks a little better. But yeah, in the auto tile background script, we want to make sure we're not placing it all the time. It should be, you know, what we could do here, instead of putting 0, we could put like, let's say we'll put -100. And we won't see it nearly as often. So now you can see only a few bricks throughout the scene. Maybe we'll want a little bit more actually. So let's try -50. Oops. I kind of like that. It's not too overwhelming. but it is there. That it adds a little bit of a character to our game. And then, as for the scaffolding, I mean, actually, it didn't really matter at the end. Wait, did we switch the texture? It doesn't seem, it seems like it's pretty bright, but I also think this color is fine. Also, wait. Now that I'm looking at it, I find it kind of ugly. What we could do is actually give each of these bricks their own texture and just make it, so right now they just look like squares. And I mean, yeah, that's really all it is, but maybe we could add some more detail to it. We can use the same textures that we have for the scaffolding, or I mean the same colors in the scaffolding, put it in the background, as long as we're not using that super dark one. Or I mean, we could use the super dark one. Let's see. So instead of making it, let's do this. Wait, did it update though? It doesn't look like it. Try one more time. Yeah, I guess this is like a, I don't know what color we used in the background, but it doesn't seem to be any of the colors that we're using in our scaffolding. Let me see. Let's open up auto tile background. This is called background auto tile version 2. So yeah, this is the color that we're using. And is this color used? It's not used here. Is it used in here? Why is it? So it's not used here. I guess we just have another gray that I didn't realize we have. Let's see. Yeah, it's just like this dark gray that's... Okay, I guess that's fine. We have this weird dark gray in our background. So it gives us, I guess, full... Let me see, is it here? No. Very strange. Okay. So let's go back here. And I'm gonna try to make a decent brick texture for you. Like, we can just make... Let's grab this color here. Oops. Let's close this. We don't need it. We'll do... something like that. And then... Here we let's look at Open Game Art. Maybe they have some ideas we can kind of steal. Let me see. So if I could try maybe I could try making something like this. This shouldn't be too hard. There's a dark, then a medium, then a light, and then there's like, we're not gonna have these in like the inside what is it, mortar. There's no mortar in our bricks. The background itself is I guess the mortar. So let's grab, what's our darkest color? We'll grab this, try something like that. Then why isn't it not? Oh, is this is our medium color? Okay. And then our lightest color, which looks like this. Is that how that brick looked like? An L, then a weird Z, then another backwards L, a Z, something like that. And we'll place these. We'll have like, let's do this. We'll have one like this. We'll have a few of them in different spots. So this one like this. Right. One like this. One like this. Actually, I don't think it matters. We won't do that. We're just going to create different designs for our brick. I think we could put it... We do want to randomize... If we want to randomize where it is, like in here, we could have like different variations of that. You know, I will try it. Do something like that. We just need to make sure that they're always 1 pixel apart. So maybe... Oh, this image is so big that it can really only fit in the middle. I guess right there. Okay. And then what's another texture that we could use? Maybe this one right here where it's like missing one right there. And then this Z, not a Z, but like a, whatever. I'm not gonna try to describe it. 3 pixels, 1, 2, 3, like that. And then this gray. Alright, what's another one? We could just maybe flip these. I'll try this one actually. This one doesn't look too bad. So that's what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a little longer. I think we're gonna keep the same size. So it'll look like. Is that what it'll look like? What's the size of all my sprites on Discord? The size is 8x8 usually. I mean, like default size is 8x8. And what we'll do here is we're also gonna grab this, leave it here, but we're gonna flip it. Where's flip? I don't know if this messes with like colors and stuff, but yeah, we'll leave it like that. See how that looks. Yeah, it's 8x8, but like you can like manipulate things to look like they're 16 by 16. So like, yeah, let me try to think. Like technically, this could fit in a 16 by 16 because what we're doing is we're just randomizing each of these 8x8 sections, but this, like, if I was really good at art, I could have manipulated it so that, I don't know, maybe this will look good as a 16 by 16 image, but, you know, you get way more variation if you put it as an 8x8. So yeah. Let's go back into our editor here, and for our bricks, let's just add all of these new textures that we made. So one, So I think right now we have a match statement grabbing all of these different textures. The reason why I did that before was because we had all of our bricks were different sizes, but now we don't need that. So our bricks right now are all 8x8, and they go up to 23. So we go from 0. We have 23 brick textures. What we'll do, whoops. Instead of matching this, what we'll say. We'll just have an if statement that says if random tile number is greater than -1, we'll set this to random tile number, and then we can get rid of all of this. What's this? Why is there an extra comma here? This is supposed to be .y, comma. Bricks.setCell. Okay, and I think we should just grab a reference to bricks since we're calling it so much. So, damn, I'm a terrible artist. I think this looks like poo-poo. It has potential, but it does not look good. It's also like so. I think maybe it's because it's so small and there's so much like detail in it. If it was like, maybe the textures need to be a little bigger. Also, why are we like? My stream is like only showing half the window. There we go. Yeah, make the rocks more dense, like bigger, maybe. But I feel like if I make it bigger, it's not gonna look weird. Maybe, I mean, it's gonna look weird. Maybe I can make them like an entire texture, something like that. I think. Let's look back at. Here, let me do this. Broken bricks pixel art. Can't really do that. We're in an 8x8. We could increase it to 16x16 if we want more details in the background. You could try making some. What is this? 1, 2, 3. I think this is 16. 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's 16. Give me a size and I'll make you a texture. It's fine. You don't have to make me anything. I find this part fun. figuring it all out and stuff. Well, we'll definitely get it by well, I would hope we would get it before the end of this stream. Because once we make it, it's literally just a matter of placing it, maybe something like this. Here, wait, let me. What is this? 1, 2. This 16. Oh, this is expanded, but this looks like it's 16. Why do people do this? They upload a pixel art thing, but they make the resolution 320 by 320. Yeah, I assume this is 16 by 16. So let me try doing this. I do think this looks a lot nicer. So we'll try to replicate it. We'll delete, you know what, instead of deleting it, I'm just gonna put it right here in case we want it again. If we want these crappy textures, we'll put it right here. And then let's try making this. I wish I could have two windows open. Let me go into view, or no, image, configure grid, say 16 by 16. Just use the cobblestone.g, Minecraft cobblestone JPG. Alright, so this is 16 by 16. This image itself, I don't know what it is, but let's try making one of these bricks. That looks about right. And then the corners, well, there's usually something bright on top. So we'll grab this. Oops. Looks like that. Then the corners, almost all the corners, it never has a corner piece or a corner pixel, so we'll erase that. That. And then there's three colors here, but the mortar doesn't count, so it's just this and this. And then there's like these little dots inside. So let's grab this and put something like that. And then all we would have to do is randomize this. Why is it? We'll try it out with like 4 different types, and then if it's nice, we'll add some variation to it. You haven't seen the game yet. Is it a platformer? Yeah, it's a platformer. Waffle, I think I already said I don't need a Discord server. Thank you, though. Alright, we'll just randomize where this goes. Why don't I want a Discord server? Because I already have a Discord server. It's already difficult to manage one. Or actually, it's already difficult to manage two. I manage a Discord with what is it? It's like 2,000 members on it already. So yeah, I mean, I'm not trying to brag. I'm just saying like it's already a lot of work, you know. I don't want to have 3. Alright, so yeah, let's try this out. I think we could maybe like this actually looks kind of good. I don't know why I didn't look back at this. Let's try putting one like, oops, that. Then there's one with this black like thing on top of it, or like next to it. What we could do for that is maybe just erase. Like we could do that because oh, and we could also erase some of this right here. So it looks a little bit more broken. All right, let's export this and see what we can do about it. Have I thought about procedural generation? So procedural generation is kind of difficult with platformers because you have to like design the rooms. Procedural generation looks really good with like, you know, Metroidvanias or like roguelike games, but with a platformer it's very difficult to procedurally generate everything. I would rather, like, I would love to, if it was possible, I would love to procedurally generate. I actually, personally, I don't really like doing level design. I mean, it is growing on me a bit. But yeah, if I had to choose, I would rather, like, for my next game, probably, whatever I work on, it's probably going to be something procedurally generated. Hey, how's it going, Agbu? I'll see you at A98. I'm sorry if I missed anyone's message. My little text thing is like, doesn't show everyone's message. So I have to like scroll up. But yeah, I'll show the gameplay in just a second. Let me just fix this. We'll fix the bricks. Oh my god, so now I have to delete all of these. Watch us not even go with this at the end. Alright, so we have this. I think what we're going to have to do for a brick auto tile is also set the size here to 16 by 16. I'm not sure what difference it makes. And then we're also... It might make it, if we don't set it to 16 by 16 and divide it by 2, we'll have like tiles like stacked up on top of each other. We don't want that. Oh my god. This why am I even trying to make textures? Need to fix this background here. Alright, I think we're just gonna stick with the original, which was like just simple, very, very simple bricks. Or you know what? If we... Here, I mean, we already have the texture here, so it's just a matter of... I don't know, maybe we could change this color. So what color is this? No. we're using this dark color. Oh, I guess I'll show the gameplay really quick before I continue. Let's do. Let me get rid of this. I think this is too much. Alright, so now it's too dark to even see, so maybe we'll fix that a bit. But yeah, this is the game. I don't, what's his name? Computer Crazies asked, or said that they didn't see the game yet. But yeah, this is the game. The bricks actually don't look too bad, but it's just it's not even noticeable at the moment. Like, the placement of them and it being 16 by 16 is not terrible. Oh. Is this level based or a Metroidvania? No, yeah, this is level based. This is not a Metroidvania. It's if you've heard of Celeste, it's a platformer. So yeah, everything has to be hand-drawn because, like, you can't really procedurally generate rooms that, you know, showcase mechanics. Oh, okay, so we put the Z, we have to increase the Z index of our tiles there. I think yeah, we'll look into that. I'm really hoping we can get something going with our bricks to make it look a little better. It doesn't have to be anything complicated. Go with 16 by 16 with 2 pixels height and 3 or 4 lengths and modify them. So we could try that. What if I have water dripping from the top? Maybe. We could do something like that. We could try. Probably won't do it today. Alright, so 16 by 16 with 2 pixels height. Two pixels height. That seems very small. I'll trust your judgment. Let's see. Three or four, he said. So something like that. I think I tried this in the past. Also, I think if we're making it this small, we have to use this color. Damn. How do we randomize? We really don't need this to be in a 16 by 16. I'm gonna put it in a 16 by 16 for now. Let's try this. This is my lightest gray. The darkest gray looks like what it looked like before, and it was too like this dark right. This one right here was too dark actually. Maybe wait. Let me see. Oh no, we have this gray as well. Oops. Here, let's do this. We'll try it out with this gray, and then for this one, we'll try both of them, the light one and the dark one. Oh, we can even do this if we wanted to. We'll flip this one just to add some variety. Actually, wait, it doesn't matter. We don't have to flip it because it's already flipped. In our code, we already flipped these textures. So I guess we'll make one more like this. I don't know what we could do. We could like maybe put this in the middle, put this on the right. Alright, let's try it out. No one dox me, please. Oh, what? Didn't update. Yeah, this is what it could look like. Maybe we could get rid of some extra bricks. I mean, because yeah, right now it looks like it just looks wacky, you know. But if we put, well, one, we could add less of it, and also delete like corners here. Get rid of this. So the levels are Metrovania like Spiderweb. So right now everything is pretty linear. There might be like secret rooms and stuff. What I plan to do in the later versions of the game is introduce like levels specifically for people who are like good at the game or people who want to speedrun. For the most part, you still have the same end goal. So yeah, this is what the texture looks like right now. And it does look kind of nice. I think maybe we should remove. It looks too clean, I think. But it does look good. Try decreasing the opacity, so making it darker or lighter. Sorry, I don't know what. What did you miss? You just missed us working on the textures. I think you were still here. Oh, we also need to fix this right there. I think we're gonna have to add borders to a lot of our textures. Yeah, the bricks look cool. I think we should make it. The thing is, we're limited to, let me see, maybe we could use this black here. Where is it? Now let's do this. Make this black. Whoop. And then we'll grab this. This might be, well, we'll find out. I don't know if this will look good. I think this looks better. Do I have a setting in? So what I do for the art or like the lighting in the background is the lighting only affects background objects. So you can see that it's dark, and then when our player walks into it, you can see the true color of this object. So yeah, everything is tinted for everything is tinted. I can show you what the game looks like if it's not tinted. I think we also have a shader on top of our game. Well, yeah, I know we have a shader on top of our game. Yeah, this is what the game looks like if it's like really, if there's no light added. Oops. Yeah. Yeah, I think this looks pretty good. I think what we could do with our bricks, I'm gonna try to make it, here, wait, let me make sure we add that color back. I don't remember what color we use. Let me see. It doesn't have to be too dark. If we like remove some pixels from the corners here, or maybe here, let me try like deleting some of the bricks. And then on top of that, we can like maybe look like that. This might make it look weird, to be honest. Yeah, I think this looks better. I don't like when they clump up like this. Like, it looks good right here. I mean, it looks good here, but then I get, you know, because we're randomizing it, sometimes they clump up. And then what we could add to our script is maybe like something that checks for like how many are in a certain, how many textures we have in a certain area, and if it like, we can divide our game into like sections. And if there are too many textures in one section, we'll remove a few. The clump looks nice. So you think this clump right here looks nice? See what it looks like in the other rooms. I see. Okay. So maybe we'll keep it then. Maybe the issue is that there's not that much variety. Like I see the same texture on top of each other because we only have four sprites on it. Let's see what this room looks like. Yeah, it looks pretty good here. Oops. Oh, we need to add a bounce effect. I forgot. So yeah, maybe later today I'll do the bounce effect from the portal. Like if you don't dash into it, it'll bounce you out. Hopefully kill you. Alright. Let's add some more textures here. And I think I don't really like these extra pick. Maybe we can add some variety to the bricks themselves. Maybe like some of them will look like this, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. When I'm making an RPG games in Godot, how can I start the game with the intro MV of the game before the game starts? What do you mean MV? You mean like maybe like something like a loading screen or something? Or like a splash screen? Alright, we'll get rid of these ugly textures that I made earlier. I think this should be good enough. The hardest part is like figuring out these designs here. You know what I should have made? I should have done a default version, like something that just looks normal, and then we edit it as we go. Oh wait, whoops. This should be forward a bit. Maybe like that. Yeah, we'll do that as our default. It's not possible that this live stream is happening. Why is that, Sparky? Am I not good enough of a pixel artist? Sorry if I missed anyone's. I know FE Tech was asking a question, but I don't know if he asked. Oh, a music video. Yeah, I mean it should be possible. Yeah, just look up how to add a video to your game. It's pretty. There's actually, I think, in Godot there's actually a video player node. I'm pretty sure, or something like that. All right, so we'll add a bunch of these here. Oh, it's such an amazing live stream. Thank you. Alright. Let's make some random variations of this. So do something like that. One that's like I should make like shapes out of this. So one will look like this. This is an O, we'll make a U. That's how I'll go about randomizing what these textures look like. That's our U. Let's make like a Z here. Whoa. That's a beautiful Z. I'm gonna remove this as well. I don't like the way that looks. Maybe let's make an L. What else? A P? Hopefully it doesn't spell out a word, you know, like out of randomizing all of this, it somehow makes a word and it's like, I don't know. I mean, all of these things are going to be flipped from time to time, so like something that's not symmetrical should like flip around. And look like something else. Alright, I think that looks good. Final one, we'll do whatever. I'm just deleting stuff until we get a shape. Alright. So we'll do that, and then let's grab this color here and just this color here. Alrighty. If we need more, we have all this space to add more. And in our script here, or no, we don't have to edit the script. We have to look at this bricks auto tile. There we go. Oh yeah, wait. We do have to look at our script. What's our total amount of... we have 13 sprites in total, so let's just put 13 right here. 12 actually. What are we doing? Oh, right now I'm trying to add just random bricks in the background. I'll show you. Should look good now. Oh, whoa. We're gonna have to increase this. Whoops. Maybe we'll make this, since we added 10 more, maybe we should do let's try negative 70. See, I feel like this is too... Maybe... Yeah, I think it's too much. Let's try negative 80. So this is a little better. You know, I might just drop it down to negative 100. I do like it, but I do think it's too much. This would sound pretty good for the game, right? You want to hear I could show you what the current sound is. I was actually thinking, like, sometimes I like listening to like space music or like deep sleep songs. Helps me relax, and I like. Sometimes I wonder if that would be a good song to play. Or at least maybe just play in the background of the game. Like on top of the music. But here, this is what the song sounds like. Let's pause. But I've had this song like since basically since I started working on this game. I've had the same song, so it's kind of getting old for me, but I remember listening to it for the first time and I was like, wow, this song is perfect. The issue is that this is like just a random song I found on Open Game Art, and so while I like it and it's perfect for like looping and stuff, I would need some variation eventually for like different levels, and for that, I don't know, I would probably have to hire someone. Yeah, the bricks look good. Alright, so I guess now that we have a nice background in the bricks, we can start, oh my goodness. It almost feels weird not streaming with music. I'm not the biggest fan of the piano because it reminds me of Minecraft, where devs trying to cover the music end with a MIDI keyboard. Minecraft does have amazing music. I was playing with Brad is one of my friends, and we were actually playing like a couple of weeks ago. I think he still plays, but I kind of left. But I remember like the music always puts me like in this trance state of like, wow, I could live here forever. Alright, so I guess yeah, for the rest of this stream we're just going to, since we have the background done, we're gonna just be adding furniture and stuff to the game. So we're up to, oh wait, before we do that, I think there is some issue with the Z index of our tiles here. Let's just make sure that this is on Z index 2 for our foreground tile. Let's put that on 2. Yeah, something happened. YouTube is back. I don't know how many people were on Twitch. Well, it says 0, so this is not a problem. But yeah, now we're back. Neighbor's dog bit the internet. Honestly, I think it might be something with my, I don't know, my computer's pretty old. My Wi-Fi card we'll see. I'm gonna connect it to an Ethernet. Like right now I'm on Wi-Fi, but sometimes when I click on Wi-Fi, it it's not even, it doesn't even say that the Wi-Fi is out. It's just that there's no option to click on Wi-Fi. And I updated the drivers, so I don't entirely know what's wrong. I think it's just, a hardware issue. My laptop is pretty old, so I could either buy maybe a new Wi-Fi card or try connecting to Ethernet, maybe see if that fixes the issue. But yeah, okay. I have a habit of starting up the game and then just playing. Let's see what we need to do. It's hard to make a piano beat properly themed for a game. I wouldn't know since I don't really do music design or anything like that. So yeah, I think this room is fine. I wonder if we should add more torches everywhere. Like a dynamic light would be nice for each of these room switchers or these checkpoints right here to have like a light right here. Probably won't do that today because that's a lot of work. But we'll do it. We'll do it eventually. So this room, I think, is fine. Kind of don't like that we could see this little area here, so maybe we'll fix that. Let's go into our world. go. Oh wait, what? Why is it doing that? There we go. Oh, I just realized. You might notice that sometimes we have it randomizing the placement of our scaffolding here. So sometimes when I die, you can see the textures change. You have to make sure that it stays the same. Well, I probably won't fix that during the stream. Okay, so this also looks kind of weird. Let's go into this room. Let me close all of these other scenes here. Which room was it? This one? Technically don't even need the spring here. For this room, you can literally just do that. We also don't need this wall right here. Alright, I guess we could add more like webs and stuff to this room. I don't know, like something like... Well, actually, it's kind of hard to put anything here. Yeah, maybe we'll just leave it like that. Fix the scaffolding in this room. I should code something to randomize placing these cobwebs. Like whenever we're in a corner, we would just place a cobweb instead of me having to hand draw them everywhere. Or hand place them everywhere. I was thinking about putting a secret somewhere over here eventually. We'll leave it the way it is for now though. There should be a spawn, I think, maybe here, but there is one like really close, so maybe we won't. But I could sense people might struggle here, so because I'm a nice guy, I'll put a checkpoint right there. Actually, you know what? I'm not a nice guy. Oh wait, there is an issue right there. There we go. You didn't really learn game programming in college, and every time you search on YouTube, you can't. I'm surprised. Yeah, like usually everything that I'm looking for is on Godot. I mean, on YouTube. I don't really have what might help you is going on Discords, like Discord communities, related to Godot, and yeah, asking your questions there. Oh, really? I'm glad. I don't really make tutorials, I just do live streams, but yeah, whenever someone has a question, I try to answer it. I would like to do tutorials, it's just that it's very time consuming. Maybe after I'm done with this game, I'll start doing tutorials. Alright, so this looks good. Let me see. Is there anything that we could add to this room? Why does this... What's this random white thing down here? I don't know what that is. Let's look at it. Is there something hiding? What the hell? No idea. Let's try deleting. Oh, you know what the issue is? It's our wall decorations auto tile. Yeah, we're using this version of it, which is. Let's fix that. My original scaffolding was a auto tile, and not a wall decorations auto tile. So it would automatically place this this platform right here, but we don't always want it there. So I switched it over to it's technically a decoration and not an object that could actually be used in our game. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we'll just keep it like that, or maybe put it in the center here. Doesn't look bad. I think we could also get rid of this. on to the next room. I think this room is fine the way it is. We do need to make sure that yeah, I'll do it afterwards. That the like sometimes I add tiles here. I need to make sure that's the same height as its like respective room. So like right now there's nothing here, but I bet if we went into this room here, the next room, there would be something similar to this on that other side. Oh crap. I'm so bad at using the dash on my keyboard. I have to use a controller. Alright, so this room... Oh, we also have to update this right here. There's like a little bit of extra space. I think I'm gonna update this because I have a feeling most people are gonna dash up here and then they won't have a dash anymore. But maybe we could leave it like that. Think about it. Yeah, let's just make this one tile shorter so that they can catch it. Try one more thing. Oh, nice. I just hit 301. We're on the road to 10 million. Alright, so yeah, most of the level design is done. I think we could leave these rooms the way it is. If I wanted to, maybe we could add... it's hard to add like small levels of details to this room since it's like almost everything is being used here and there's like spikes everywhere. So it's kind of hard. We could put like little pieces of furniture in certain spots or like balconies in like these black areas. Or, like in like see all of this space here, like we could technically put like a room there. How many hours am I investing? Lately, it's been like, I want to say around 5 hours a day. It really depends on my mood. Sometimes I want to, like right now it's a lot. Right now I feel like I'm investing more just because we're so close. So I'm like, it's constantly on my mind, but like, 3 months ago or 4 months ago, I was only doing like at max 2 hours a day. So yeah, it depends. Usually when I'm close to a deadline is when I'm like really working hard on it. And I'll see you at 898. Sorry, I missed the previous message. Alrighty. You know what I might do? I might leave it at that. I'll probably start another stream tonight with us finishing some of the level design, and maybe I'll do the bounce mechanic today for the portals. So if you don't dash in, it'll make you bounce back. Let me think about this. Yeah, I think our first few levels were pretty good. Yeah, these are our first few levels. Oh, I forgot we have like those ropes. We could probably add a few of those to the game. And I do think we might want to make the background a little darker, just slightly. Just increase that. Let's try that. I think that should look good. How many levels are going to be in the demo? The demo should have. I didn't count, but it's like four times every mechanic. So there's like regular, spring, dash orb, zip line, and portal. That's 20. I want to say like 25 to 30. That's how many are going to be in the demo. So each of these little rooms that I'm in is one room. Or each of these little, every time the camera changes is a new room, but sometimes the rooms are bigger. So like right now, the camera is static. But sometimes the camera, like, sometimes one room is the size of, 5 normal rooms. Like this room right here. This room is like 4 rooms put in one. But yeah, let's end it here. I will hopefully stream later today. I want to take a small break before I burn myself out. And then hopefully we start another stream. Let's get it. Alright guys, I will see you. Peace. If anyone's interested in wishlisting the game, I mean, it's in the description, so I will post it. But it should also be in the description. Here is that. And if you guys want to join the Discord too, where is that? Play the game for free. It's also on my profile. And yeah, I'll be uploading the newest version tomorrow. Hopefully by the end of, like, around this time tomorrow, hopefully. Let's see. Alright guys.